Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Xiaomi POCO F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we will show all the screenshot methods this smartphone has to offer, and also how you can record the screen of this device as well. So the first method to take a screenshot is to make the swipe gesture with our 3 fingers, swipe down. As you can see, the screenshot has been successfully taken. The second method to take a screenshot is by simultaneously holding the power key right here and the volume down button right here. The third way to take a screenshot is to open the control center by swiping down on the right side of our status bar, and here just look for this screenshot shortcut that looks just like scissors. And after we will tap on it, the screenshot will be also taken. There is also the way to take the screenshot of some particular zone or part of a screen we want to by tap and holding with our 3 fingers and selecting the exact zone that we want to take a screenshot of. We can also choose in what shape our screenshot will be taken. For example, like this. Alrighty, and how you can record the screen is by swiping down from the right side of status bar as we did with one of the screenshot methods, and here at the shortcuts look for the screen record shortcut that looks just like this, like video camera, and after we tap on it and tap on this red circle, the screen recording will be started. All the screenshots and screen recordings are being saved to the gallery of our smartphone, so let's go ahead and open it. And here we can see all the screenshots that we've made and the screen recording as well. As you can see. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!